Hi guys, welcome back to Kang Apik channel. Today we are going to learn about how to create awesome reflection by using PicsArt application. This PicsArt application is available in the Play Store that you can download anytime and free. Okay guys, now let's go to the tutorial. Okay, now let's go to the PicsArt. Add new project. Select one picture that you are going to edit. Then tap tools icon and crops. Okay, now we are going to crop the picture. Tap OK and then tap cut out. Just make selection around the body. Okay, then click the arrows. And you see there is some portion is still not neat condition, so we will make perfectly. Okay, done. Save the picture. Then tap the arrow. Now you can save to your gallery. Okay, now we add a new project again. Then see all in the drawing, then click new. I select 1024 by 1280 like this. Okay, then tap the arrow, edit image. Okay, then tap tools, tap resize. I will increase the resolution so that we can get the smooth image. Okay, now we are going to insert the picture. Add photo. Then tap the background, zoom it, and place it to the top side. Now we can tap this icon and then add the photo. Add the same one. Okay. Then tap this dot in the middle. Okay, we will place it in the downside. Okay, then tap adjust and reduce the brightness. Okay, then next click effect and select motion blur. And I will put distance to 75. Okay. Okay guys, next we add another image. Then put on the top side. Okay. Then tap adjust. Reduce or customize the brightness. I will make a little bit light. You can customize it as you like. Okay, and then next put another picture, the same picture. Then tap this square icon in the middle. Okay, we will keep exactly under the first image like this. Okay, then tap adjust and reduce the brightness. Then tap OK. Adjust opacity. Then erase. We will customize the size and opacity, also hardness as you like. Then we will do like this smoothly. Then if you're done, you can tap OK. Okay, you can customize the opacity so you can get the perfect result. Okay, done. Okay guys, finally we done our project. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much and see you to the next tutorial.